Welcome to ABC Spotlight. Let's learn our ABC big letters from A to Z.
A is alive.
B is bouncy. B, B, B. C is curvy. C, C, C. D is dancing. D, 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 D. E is electric. E, E, E. F is floating. F, 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 F. G is glowing. G, G, G. H is hopping. H, H, H. I is icy. J is jumping. K is kicking. L is light. M is melting. N is noisy. O is opening. P is popping. P, P, P. Q is quiet. Q, Q, Q. R is rolling. R, R, R.
S is spinning. S.
T is tapping. T, T, T. U is up.
V is vibrating. V, V, V.
W is waving. W, W, W.
X is extra bright.
X, X, X. Y is yawning. Y, Y. Z is zooming. Z, Z. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and tap the bell. See you again on ABC Spotlight.